and welcome to dynamic stretch number 1. We got 4 moves. Dynamic stretches are stretches that mean movement. And so these are not going to be a static hold, but instead going through some flows. So we have 4 moves here, and let's go ahead and restart that. Hello, and welcome to dynamic stretch number 1. Dynamic stretches are stretches that involve flows and movements versus a static hold. And in this series, we have 4 moves we're going to do. Our torso twist, our cat-cow, arm circles, and Frankensteins. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with some torso twists. So we're going to plant those feet, bring those arms up to the side, and we're going to twist back and forth as far as you can, getting in that rotation through our torso. Hopefully feels good. You might feel a crack in the spine, maybe in your hips, down to your knees. There we go. Again, hopefully feels good. We're going to do each of these for about 30-ish seconds. For 3, 2, 1, and rest. Next up, we have cat-cow. So you're going to go ahead and make your way down to the ground. We're going to get in a tabletop position. From here, we're going to go ahead and arch our back up and down. There we go. As we arch up, we tuck that chin. As we arch down, we look up. Going back and forth. This is great because it is taking our abdominals and our back muscles through flexion and extension. There we go. We are going to be here in our cat-cow for 5, 3, 2, 1. Come back to neutral spine. And let's go ahead and make our way back up to standing. Next up, we're going to go ahead and plant those feet for arm circles. With those feet planted, go ahead and take those arms out nice and wide. And we're going to go ahead and make circles with them. You can start small, get a little bigger or bigger. You can maintain those smaller ones if you would like. This is great for those shoulders. There we go. We're nice and tall. We're breathing. Remember, you are strong and can do anything. In about 10 seconds, we'll go ahead and stop, and then we will reset to go the opposite direction. In 3, 2, 1, rest. Give those shoulders a shake. Go ahead and take them back out wide. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing, opposite direction, and begin. There we go. Getting in those arm circles. We're breathing. There we go. And hopefully feeling good. Could get a little bigger. We're going to be here with these arm circles for less than 10 seconds. There we go for 5, 3, 2, 1, and done. And then last stretch we're going to do here are Frankensteins. So we're going to stay nice and tall. Option 1 is you can have your arms straight out in front of you. Option 2 is you can put them on your hips. But from here we're going to go ahead, lift one leg, and then the other. Trying to keep them nice and straight. There we go. Feeling good. Staying tall. Okay, arms could go straight out in front of you. You could also go on your hips. Try not to use momentum. This is getting into the hamstring and glute. For 3, 2, 1, and rest. Great job. You just completed dynamic stretch number 1.